Necklace, La Payure, was written by the famous 19th century French author Guy de Maupassant. Published in 1884, this classic short story is best known for its sharp realism, critique of materialism, and stunning twist ending.
I wish I had a beautiful house. I want beautiful dresses and sparkling jewelry. I wish I were rich. Why can't I have a beautiful life?
Good evening, Mathilde.
Welcome home.
Why do you look so sad?
Because I dream of a better life. I'm tired of living like this. Sometimes, that doesn't feel enough.
We may not have much, but we have each other.
Mathilde, I have wonderful news for you.
For me? It's a grand ball.
Aren't you happy?
It's a special party. I can't go. I don't have a beautiful dress.
How much does a nice dress cost?
I think 400 francs.
Don't worry, Mathilde. I'll buy you a beautiful dress.
Really? Thank you so much. The dress is perfect. But I don't have a beautiful necklace.
You can borrow a beautiful necklace from your friend, Madame Forestier.
That's a wonderful idea. Welcome, Mathilde. Please come in. May I borrow a beautiful necklace for the party? Choose anything you like, my dear. This necklace is perfect. Okay. You can borrow it. Please take good care of it.
You look absolutely beautiful tonight.
Oh my, her dress is absolutely stunning. She looks like a queen. Truly breathtaking. This is the happiest night of my life.
She looks absolutely stunning. Truly radiant tonight. Yes, the most beautiful woman here.
I'm so happy, dear. You were the most beautiful woman at the party. Tonight was like a beautiful dream. It was the most wonderful night of my life.
Loisel?
The necklace is gone.
What? Are you sure? Search everywhere. Don't panic.
I looked everywhere. I can't find it.
Stay here, Mathilde. I'll go back and search every street we traveled tonight. I'll find the necklace. Please. It has to be here. I must find it. I'm sorry, Mathilde. I searched everywhere, but I couldn't find the necklace.
What are we going to do now?
We must replace the necklace before Madame Forestier finds out.
This diamond necklace costs 36,000 francs. Don't lose hope, Mathilde. We'll find a way. Here is the money you requested.
Thank you. I'll repay every franc. We'll buy the necklace.
Thank you for lending it to me.
From today, we'll work together until every debt is paid.
Good morning, my dear.
Morning, Henry. Have a good day.
You too, Mathilde.
Have a safe day. Our days will begin before the sun rises, until every debt is repaid.
It's not much, but we're getting closer.
Every little step brings us closer to freedom.
Ten years later.
Your debt is fully paid.
We did it.
We did it.
Good morning, Madame Forestier.
I'm sorry. Do I know you? It's me, Mathilde Loisel. Mathilde? Hair? What happened to you?
I lost your necklace, so we borrowed money to buy another one. It took us 10 years to repay every debt. That necklace was only an imitation. It wasn't worth more than 500 francs. All those years, for nothing? If only I had told you the truth.